So, boys and girls, this week we're learning how to listen and we're practicing listening. And we're going to practice this by playing Coach Says. It's basically the same as Simon Says. If I say Coach Says, then my little helper Chloe is going to do what Coach says. But if I don't say Coach Says in front of it, then she's not going to do it. Coach says, put your hands up. Coach says, touch your shoulders. Touch your nose. Coach didn't say. Coach says, touch your nose. Coach says, stand on one foot. Coach says, spin around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Coach says, touch your toes. Coach says, touch your elbows. Touch your head. Coach says, touch your head. Coach says, clap 3 times. Coach says, pat your head and rub your belly. Thank you. Now go try with a family member. Play Coach Says. Bye.